Okay, let's talk about two of your body's most amazing and maybe a little mysterious organs.
Seriously, it's a detoxifier, a protein factory, and a sugar dispenser. Talk about a multitasker.
So, what are these two, the liver and its sidekick, the gallbladder, actually doing all day?
Well, it all starts with the liver's star player, a crucial fluid called bile. Deep inside, specialized liver cells, called hepatocytes, are constantly churning this stuff out.
And get this, the liver makes up to a liter of bile every single day.
But the gallbladder doesn't just store it, it supercharges it, making it way more potent. So, you eat something fatty. Right away, your small intestine sends out an urgent signal.
That signal is a hormone called CCK. It basically tells the gallbladder, it's go time. And bam, the gallbladder contracts, squeezing that potent bile into a network of tubes. This bile travels right down into your small intestine, precisely where all the action is. Once there, it gets to work, neutralizing acid and breaking down fats, so you get vitamins.
But making bile? That's not even half the story. The liver is your body's metabolism master.
You know that feeling when your energy dips? That's your liver releasing stored sugar for you.
It's the central processing hub for all the carbs, fats, and proteins you eat. Plus, it's your body's main filter, constantly cleaning your blood from, well, everything.
Okay, but one of its most incredible secrets? An ultra-efficient recycling program. Check out this number, 95%. So what on earth is that about? It's an amazing loop where 95% of those bile salts are reabsorbed and reused. This means a tiny amount of bile can be used over and over during just one meal. But wait, the liver's ultimate superpower might just be its incredible ability to regenerate. I'm not kidding. You can remove up to 3/4 of it, and it'll grow back. So the real question is, how can we better support this incredible regenerative hero inside us?